Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the Steam PayPal bug in just a few simple steps. If you've been having trouble using PayPal on Steam, don't worry, you're not alone. By the end of this guide, you'll have everything working smoothly again. First, make sure your Steam app is open and that you're connected to a stable internet connection. This will prevent any interruptions while we fix the issue. Once your Steam app is ready, click on the Login button at the top right of the screen. Enter your account name and password carefully. This is key because you want to make sure you're logged into the account linked to your PayPal. After logging in, go to your profile name in the top menu and click to open the drop-down menu. From here, select Account Details. This is where we'll adjust your payment method. On the Account Details page, click Add a Payment Method, and then select PayPal from the list. If PayPal isn't showing up, try logging out and logging back in, as this often resolves temporary glitches. Next, double-check your PayPal account. Make sure it has enough funds to cover your purchase and that it's fully validated. If you're using a bank card linked to PayPal, ensure it's active and hasn't declined any recent transactions. Sometimes manually transferring money from your bank to your PayPal balance can help bypass authorization issues and smooth out your payments. Once these steps are done, your PayPal should be properly linked, and any Steam PayPal bugs should be resolved. You can now make purchases without any interruptions. If the problem persists, contacting Steam support is your best next step. They can provide deeper assistance. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you'll get back to enjoying your games in no time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.